So if you want to enforce the purchase limits without losing sales in your Shopify store, then in this video, I will show the step-by-step guide how you can do it very easily. So before starting the video, if you are new here in this channel, then please hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. So let's begin. So for this, I am using the next order limit quantity application from the Shopify app store. You can easily download it from here. After installing the app, go here, create validation, then create a cart validation. Give a title like enforce purchase limits without losing sales. Then add a new rule, add a new condition. Select the condition. Number of products include the quantity for each product. In the operator, you have multiple options. So I am choosing greater than. You can choose whatever you want. In the value, I am putting 5. Then add a new action. Select the action. You have two options again, show error message on cart and checkout page and show error message on checkout page. So I am choosing show error message on checkout page. Then write the default message like you cannot purchase more than 5 products. After that, active the status and save this. So now people cannot purchase more than 5 products from your store. So let's take it on the online store. So if you are liking the video, then please hit the subscribe button. If I add more than 5 products in the cart, then you can see the error message. But if I add less than 5 products in the cart, then you can see there is no error message. So yeah, in this way, you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then please hit the like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, then please let me know in the comment sections. And that's for all today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.